Hello producers and welcome to CEO Nation Z. So in this video I'm going to be going over why your mixes suck and what strategies to use to improve them. When you want to actually start music production, you think it's just a simple process of you just have a DAW, you have a software you use, and you just apply some little keyboards, some little melodies, apply some little drums and everything, and you just arrange it, and that is that. That is a lie. Music production is a very, very complex and has to do with combination of different systems to achieve a certain purpose, a certain goal, which is to create good music. It's just like the human body, which is made up of different systems which have different functions, and all of those different functions come together to form the human body. That is how music production is. As you can see, the human body, you have different systems. You have the circulatory system, the respiratory system, the nervous system, the reproductive system, and all those different systems that have different functions. And if one of those systems break down, the whole body breaks down. That is the exact same way it is in music production. There are different systems in place and there are different processes you have to follow. And when one of those systems is faulty, or when you're lacking knowledge in one of those systems, or you don't apply it well, or you don't use it well, your output becomes bad. Like it doesn't create the final result you want, which in turn leads to why your mixes suck. So now, how do you actually improve your mixes? The very first thing you need to do is to learn. And after you learn, you practice. Now, if you can do these two things, consistency, and be consistent in these two things, before you know it, you'll be very, very good. But now, there are actually so many places to learn from, and those so many places can get you confused. So you should be careful. You should be very, very careful where you learn from, because you can just go to YouTube now and there are a billion videos on a particular topic, and people have different views concerning different things. So you might get yourself confused when one tells you a certain thing and another person tells you something totally different. People have their own different mindsets and different ways they attain a particular goal. So you have to know what you want, where you're going to, who to follow, and then follow that person till the end. You might have like a couple of people that you subscribe to, and those channels can help you, and you trust them. You can see that they create good music. You can see that, okay, this is somebody I can learn from. Then you follow that person back to back. Learn from the person. Follow his tutorials. Take his things seriously. Every time he posts a video, watch it, learn from it, practice it, and with time, you get better. So that is basically how to improve your mix. One thing you should not do is just to watch the videos and skip to the next one, watch another video, skip to the next one without practicing. You are wasting your time because you haven't learned anything at all by doing that. So once you watch a video, as you are watching the video, be practicing it immediately. And as you've practiced it, while creating your next bit, impute that knowledge in creating that bit. For example, you learn how to sidechain today. When you're creating your next bit, sidechain. The next one, sidechain again. And the next one, keep sidechaining. Yeah, there are some effects that you rarely use them. Some techniques you don't use all the time. And those techniques, just find a way to practice them time after time, so that when you need them, it is no longer difficult. The process in learning might take time, but when you've mastered it, it's just with the snap of the finger, you're done. To improve your mixes, all you need to do is just to get that certain knowledge and that certain information and wisdom required to produce good music. And that is all. So guys, thanks for watching. Please, if you like the video, please hit the like button and comment in this comment section below your challenges in music production so that we can get you covered. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will get notified when I upload new videos. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.